The real reason you got dismissed is probably not the reason stipulated on your dismissal letter. It might not have been about your performance, misconduct, or operational requirements. The real reason could have been because you spoke up, you asked too many questions, you didn't fit the culture, you challenged the wrong people, or you became inconvenient to the company. Dismissal letters are clean, but the motives are not. Many dismissals are rebranded and not justified. Here's the truth they don't want you to realize. If the process was rushed, biased, or silent, the reason doesn't matter. The unfairness does. Don't accept the story. Challenge the process and protect your future. And lastly, follow Labour Hand SA because the truth doesn't end with a dismissal letter.